Hey everyone, welcome back to Mighty Military. Taiwan just dropped some massive news that's going to seriously boost their long-range surveillance game, and it's all homegrown tech. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense has officially confirmed they're going ahead with the full purchase of 36 Rui Yuan II drones. This comes under a brand new special defense budget worth 12.6 billion new Taiwan dollars. That's roughly 402 million US dollars. After months of rumors that the program might get delayed or even canceled because of tight budgets, the Legislative Yuan just gave it the green light, and the project is locked in. These 36 medium-altitude, long-endurance drones will start rolling out between 2026 and 2029. Their main job? Long-range surveillance, electronic intelligence gathering, and maritime reconnaissance, especially keeping eyes across the Taiwan Strait and way beyond. The ministry says the Rui Yuan II will gradually replace older piloted surveillance planes like the RC-70. That switch alone is going to save them a ton of money on fuel, maintenance, and pilot training, huge cost cutter in the long run. Internally, the program was called Project Rui Ju, and the plan is exactly 36 composite airframes plus 9 specialized electronic intelligence receiver sets so these drones can suck up signals and listen in on whatever's happening out there. Just to be clear, the 150 million NT dollar contract that was awarded recently to NCSIST is only for 4 prototype drones in 4 different payload configurations. They'll test those, pick the best setup, and then that winner becomes the standard Rui Yuan II that goes into full production. So what exactly is the Rui Yuan II? It's a fully Taiwanese-designed male drone made from advanced composites, 12-meter wingspan, powered by an air-cooled rotary engine, and it can fly up to 2,000 kilometers on a single mission. It's packed with frequency-hopping comms, multi-band navigation, and serious anti-jamming tech, so it can keep operating even if someone tries to mess with its signal. Last year, during a live-fire exercise, this drone already proved itself. It spotted maritime targets in real time and beamed high-quality radar and optical imagery straight to the command center using microwave links, K-band satellite relay, and even regular 4G, 5G mobile networks when needed. That's insane flexibility. Normally, it flies with line-of-sight microwave control up to about 300 kilometers, but flip-on satellite guidance, and it can go way deeper, perfect for staring across the strait or even further if required. This is the direct successor to the Rui Yuan I, and it's part of Taiwan's big push to build its own strategic intelligence tools instead of relying on manned aircraft that are getting riskier and way more expensive to fly in contested airspace. Word from local defense sources is that the satellite and microwave comm system was built with help from Taiwan's civilian space sector, and the airframe is already being tested for future modular strike payloads, though right now the focus is purely ISR and electronic warfare. Bottom line, 36 of these bad boys are coming. Taiwan's eyes in the sky are about to get a serious upgrade, and it's all made in Taiwan. If you want more updates on Taiwan's indigenous defense projects, the latest drones, missiles, and everything in between, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is Mighty Military. Stay sharp.